Hey, I'm Megan and welcome to my channel Glue Guns and Roses, where I'm totally stoked because I have a bunch of easy, cheap DIY bathroom decor to share with you today. All the items are from the Dollar Tree. For my first DIY, I'm just using one of these black little baskets from the Dollar Tree, pliers, pulled off the handles, pulled off the piece that holds the handles, and then using some rope and hot glue, and I'm going to attach my handles on the opposite end, take rope, wrap it around 3 times on the top, one little piece of rope on the inside to cover up the rim, and then I just wrap the rope twice around the bottom, and this bad boy is done. Super easy, super simple, and super cute. For my next DIY, it took me a little bit longer, but that was just because I was practicing. Using the clear contact paper, I peel it back and I'm writing with an expo marker the word hands. Now, I'm writing this under the sticky part and on the wax paper. It is kind of easy because you can see the little squares, so you can kind of see where you want to write. But if you do mess up, you can just take a little Q-tip and wipe away any of the marker you don't want. Then it was all done, cut it out, and I am putting it on a Dollar Tree mason jar, smoothing out the bubbles, applying some Mod Podge to keep it sealed in and to give the glass like an aged look. Then I'm going to take the top of the mason jar, put a nail through the middle. Taking the pump off of a Dollar Tree soap pump, I spray painted it black, and I'm going to put the bottom to the side. I already put a nail through the little mason jar top, and using scissors, I just make my hole a little bit bigger and then pliers to peel it back. Like, this was really, really easy. Literally took me less than 2 minutes. Then, using hot glue and crazy glue, I attached the pump to the mason jar, filled it with soap, and here is my super cute Farmhouse soap dispenser. I love it. Now I'm going to use these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not going to attempt to say the name. They start with an A. I divide the white flowers from the greenery, and I did this to 2 flowers. Taking the bottom of my soap pump, I added a little piece of rope with hot glue, and now it's a vase. And I'm going to add some of the white flowers into the soap pump because it's a vase now, and here it is. It's super cute. Waste nothing. Next, I got this book from the Dollar Tree around fall time, but it doesn't really go with my decor. Taking wood grain contact paper, the lighter one, I just cover the book up, and then I do the same thing with the darker wood grain to another Dollar Tree book, and it looks like this. And then this book is also from the Dollar Tree, but I like the way it looked, so I left it as is. Then taking some twine, I just wrap the twine all the way around the books and then tie a little knot. This was super easy. Then I took the little white flowers, tied a knot with twine on them as well, set them on top of my book, and there, it's done. Rustic decor. For my next DIY, I'm just using an 8x10 frame from the Dollar Tree. Doesn't matter what kind because I'm using black acrylic paint to paint over it. I printed this off online. I just searched free restroom signs. Painting the back with black acrylic paint because I was planning on doing this DIY differently, and also I didn't want to print it out again and waste more ink. While that dries, I just cut out some of the light wood grain paper the same size as the frame. And then once my little people dried, I just cut them out. So you could definitely print off the people in all black. It'd probably make more sense. I'm just super cheap and didn't want to waste more ink. And I'm almost out of ink. And then I just use Scotch tape to attach the people to the wood grain. I put the frame around so I could get an idea of where they're going to go. Whenever I hang frames from Dollar Tree on the wall, I always reinforce them with hot glue because the frames are like a step above paper. They're so easy to break, and I've had frames break on me before. Then rope and hot glue, and that's how I'm actually going to hang the frame. So here it is, my little restroom sign frame. I'm digging it. Then this is so easy, it's really not even a DIY. I'm just using a mason jar and a little jar I got from Dollar Tree, twine around the top and rope around the top, Q-tips, cotton balls, and this one's done. Lastly, I'm just taking this jug from the Dollar Tree, spray painted it white, super simple, and then 3 of these long-stemmed dogwood branches from the Dollar Tree and stick them in my vase. And here it is, it's all finished. I really love it. Now this is actually my half bath. but I will be putting this stuff in the guest bathroom slash children's bathroom because I'm giving it a makeover right now, but I wanted to set it up and get an idea of how it was gonna look. I still have a few more DIYs and budget-friendly updates to do in my children's bathroom. My goal is to keep it under $40. If you'd like to see a decorate with me before and after total makeover video, let me know in the comments because I'm still working on that project. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.